Hi, welcome to Ebert's Greenhouse Village. It is summer here in Wisconsin and it is hot, but the flower beds are beautiful. Things are blooming like crazy, and I just want to give you a brief tour of everything that's going on and blooming, and just it's a neat place all seasons. And I just want to take a little bit of time and show you around so that you know what to look forward to when you stop by for a visit. So much for joining me today. I hope that you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I will see you again soon.